Hello folks, Rick Harris, Fishing Saskatoon. Hey, it's Monday, May 11th, and my wife and I are heading out towards Borden Bridge, which is about a half hour outside of Saskatoon, and we're just heading down. I'm going to show you how to get to this little fishing hole. It's one of the most convenient ones closest to town. We had a cold front come through. I don't know the fishing's going to be, but we're heading down the valley now. You'll see the bridges. There's 3 bridges here, an old bridge that's no longer in use, and eastbound and a westbound bridge. So we're just heading down the valley now, and I'll show you how to get here. It's about a half hour outside of Saskatoon on Highway 16, heading towards the Battlefords again. Here's the Borden Bridge sign. There's a few people out here fishing down the bottom. Here's the river. And just take it easy coming down here, because the exit creeps up on you pretty quickly. Be careful on this road because it gets a little rough. People down fishing down here.
We're going to scratch up the vehicle with this?
Nope. We're still taping.
$30,000 van, all scratched up.